Hi friends, happy Tuesday. So today I thought we'd play a ball rolling game. I made this out of half a box. I didn't even have a whole box. I cut some holes, so have mom and dad cut some holes. I put colored paper, you can choose any color. And then I also thought I would put some alphabet letters so you can decide which hole you want your ball to go into. So I'm gonna take my ball and I'm gonna say I want it in the letter B. I made it. Now let's try the letter A or the green paper. Oh no, I didn't make it. I'm going to try again. And when your house, you can use a lot farther away to do this. You can go down the hall or something. I had to do it up close because I don't have a lot of space. Letter C, I have a helper. Let's see if my helper helps me. Nope, my helper didn't help me. Let's try one more time. Letter C. Oh, it didn't happen. But you can play that all day and pick the alphabet letter you want to put it in or the color of the paper. You can do anything with this. Okay, friends, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.